C'est Yoncé. It's your girl Breyoncé coming at you with a Breyoncé. I'm going to be installing my wig that I made. Highlight a wig. But by the name of the description, you'll know that it's a braided wig. I literally been waiting on this moment. I'm so excited. Like, got myself together, got focused, and did my wig. And I'm finally finished. And it's like the best thing ever. I'm ready to get into this.
The style of this wig is small feet-in tribal braids with a freestyle design.
I'm so proud of myself. Everything, like, it came edges. Got a little highlight or whatever. It's giving me check up on it vibes. Like, ooh, wait, looking like that.
Anyways, for this install, you'll need a tan cap, some Ghost Bond glue, some Got2b hairspray. Also, you need a rat tail comb and a blow dryer. Don't forget your wig brush and scissors.
This white stuff y'all seen, it's just eco styler.
Now go and comb your hair out for a real neck. But no, seriously, you want to make sure your hair is all brushed out before braiding it for this install. As you can see, I'm combing the eco styler out my edges. Due to this being a frontal install, I need to make sure all my edges are pulled back. The goal of your foundation is to make sure that your install is flat and secure. Misconception is that you need small braids to achieve that. You want to make sure you grip as much as you can, but in this video, I won't be explaining the braiding process, but I do plan on uploading a video on it soon. As you can see, I did 5 braids, and I can guarantee you that my install will still be flat. As I mentioned before, you want to make sure that your edges is pulled back, and this is to prevent any edge loss. So I went in with some eco styler and I slicked them back to be sure that they were out of the way.
I got my edges all brushed back.
In order to make sure my edges stay laid, I wanted to spray it with a little spritz, but y'all just look. Y'all, like, what? The spritz was not working. Like, it was just not working. So I just went ahead and grabbed the Got2b because I was not gonna play. Yeah, I sprayed my edges. You may want to get your blow dryer on hand now. Here you can see me wiping my forehead with rubbing alcohol. I will proceed to add another layer of Got2b spray on my hairline. Now it's time for the cap. Try to pull it down as much as you can. Once the cap is stretched, you want to go in with some Got2b and spray your edges to lay them down to ensure it sticks. When I put on the wig, it was a little loose, so I decided to go in and tighten it by sewing the back, and I will show you. As you can see, I'm going in and I'm cutting the cap to prepare to lay it for this install. I decided to use this technique because I like how the ears hold the cap in place while I'm cutting. Ghost Bond! Add a thin layer of Ghost Bond on my edges. Be careful and try not to add a lot because you are going to go in with the second layer. So dry the first layer. After the first layer is dry, we're going to go in with our second layer. And I put this layer kind of behind because I didn't want too much adhesive directly on my edges. You want to dry the second layer, then time to cut it. So after a while, I realized I did not secure the cap in the back, so I just went in and I bobby pinned it. I do not recommend doing this. I actually recommend sewing it. Due to the circumstances and me rushing, I just did this. I can't cap. The bobby pins held it down for me. I'm going in with another layer of Ghost Bond so I can melt the excess cap. Here you can see me laying it down with my crochet needle. When you are completing this step, you want to make sure that you're going towards your eyebrows to prevent rolling the cap back up. What's next? You guessed it, time to dry it. Clearly this cap isn't blending in with my skin, so I'm about to go in with some makeup, but just look.
They lied. This is my first time using this. They did not. I could have just left this the color because.
So I decided to go over it with a foundation that I already know is my color, but just look. Let's just say this did not help. Y'all, I cannot be out here looking crazy. So y'all about to watch me work my blending magic.
I'm about to do my makeup.
So let us have a makeup intermission. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Just keep watching.
These look great.
Time to finish this install. The way I constructed this particular wig caused me to have 2 pieces of lace, so just bear with me. I just have to do the process twice. But as you can see, I'm cutting the lace to resemble my hairline. As you can see, I'm going in with yet another layer of ghost fine, and this time is to prepare to lay the lace. Dry it a little bit. You're going to repeat this process. As we lay, no, not Kelly Price, but as we lay our frontal, we're going to be using the rat tail comb to lay down the lace. Do not begin this step until your lace glue is sticky. Now that I got my first layer down, I'm going to dry it to make sure it's secure. Now I use my scissors to cut the excess cap. While drying it, use the rat tail end of the comb like so. I just go ahead and repeat the same process to lay down the second layer of lace. As you can see, my lace was a little light, so I had to go in and tint it. I spray it with Got To Be for some extra support before I go ahead and wrap it to dry it.